Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a simple model of bevel gear in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started with today's tutorial. We'll go to new, take a standard part in millimeter. Now we are going to take a 2D sketch on the XY plane. Now take the line command and from center point construct a line. Construct a rough sketch first for bevel gear file and this. Okay. Now go to dimensions. Give this a dimension of 85 mm and this a dimension of, right click to give the line dimension, go to aligned and give this a dimension of 28. Okay, and give this a dimension and right click and go to aligned, give the dimension 26 mm. Okay, now give this a dimension 24 mm. Okay, now as you can see the angle is missing here, so from this to this the angle will be 135 degree. Similarly this and this angle will be 135. This is by default. So now go to perpendicular constraint, select this line and select this line. Now this is fully constrained sketch. You can see here this is fully constrained sketch. Now finish sketch. Now go to revolve. The sketch has been selected. Go to axis and select this as axis of rotation and OK. Okay. Now we are going to cut these teeth of bevel gear. For that we will make a new plane. First go to 2D sketch, go to origin and we will select the YZ plane. Go to line command and from this center point construct a line vertically and construct a line at an angle. Okay, this is a random line. We have not defined anything. Now go to home. Now go to project geometry and select, okay, remain in the plane and select this edge. Okay, the line is being projected with reference to face. Now go to collinear constraint, select this line and select this line. These are constrained to each other and finish sketch. Now we are going to make a plane on this line. So go to plane, select the end of the line and select this line. Okay. Now go to this plane and go to 2D sketch. We are going to construct a sketch on 2D sketch on this. Okay. Now just rotate it downwards. Okay. This is between front and bottom plane. This is the plane in which we are working, perpendicular to this. So now we will make the tooth profile. Go to line, make a line over here. Okay. Now go to dimensions. Give this a dimension of 5 mm and this as 14 mm. Okay. And this height of 25 mm. And from center point the distance will be 75 mm. Okay, now make it constraint, go to vertical constraint, select the center point and select this point. Okay, now this is fully constrained, but we need a curve profile over here. So go to circle, make a circle of dia 80 mm and go to coincident constraint, select this endpoint, select the circle. Similarly, select this endpoint, select this circle. Okay, you only need this profile of the circle. So go to trim and select the circle. It will, this profile is left, all circle profile is trimmed. Now we need to make a mirror image here. So go to mirror, select the upper line, the curve and the bottom. Go to mirror line, this will be the mirror line and apply. Done. Okay. Now finish sketch and go to extrude, select both the profiles and flip the direction and go to cut. This will cut the profile, or you can select from here all. So it's a through cut. I will show you. Okay, this is the cut which we have made and okay. This is the profile on view. We don't need this sketch anymore, so go to sketch, right click, or just from here go to invisible. Similarly, this plane we don't need, right click and turn off the visibility. Okay, now we need to pattern this profile, so I'll rotate it. Okay, now go to circular pattern, select this profile and select here rotation axis, select this profile and give the count of 25. Okay, and okay, rotate it. Okay, now we need to cut a hole over here. So select this face, make a new sketch, go to circle command. From this center point, make a circle of dia 40 mm. Okay, finish the sketch. Go to extrude command. From here, flip the direction, and here through cut. This is also a through cut, and okay. So this is a through cut. Now the model is complete. From here you can select any color as your wish. So I'll take any of them. Okay. Now this was the basic model of bevel gear in Autodesk Inventor. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.